Recently, our leadership team brought in Defense Systems to go over some training for active shooter and safety within our school. And our leadership was really smart. They brought them in to give us the comprehensive training. So training for what to do if we have an active shooter, how to call for help, how to protect our children from injury and the shooters. And it was something that, while it caused some anxiety in preparing and thinking about what we were going to learn that day, it turned out to be so helpful in reducing the anxiety when you talk about things like that.
I think anytime you go into an experience like this, you're apprehensive because everybody hears about these things, but you never think they're coming to your school. They present the information in such a way that you're very comfortable, and it's information while being very real. And so they do a very good job with the presentation of making sure that everybody's comfortable in what they're seeing and what they're doing and how to digest the information.
Defend brought the right people with the right mindset and presented information in a way that, again, is very accessible. But now what can I do on a day-to-day basis that is manageable, practical, reasonable, so that I can do those things, think about those things, understand where we are, and now do the job that I'm called to do, which is teach young people.
I think with the medical side, it was about being able to be prepared ahead of time so that the first time that you encounter a situation, it's not the first time that you're having to work a tourniquet or you're having to apply some type of medical terminology. And I think that's real important when you get into a high stress situation, that it's not something that you're doing for the first time.
We do a lot of medical training here. We've done it before in different situations. The thing that was the most interesting to me was that they actually gave us a tourniquet and had them apply it to ourselves so we could feel what it felt like. And we kept it on long enough that we felt the blood flow being cut off. And that's something I've never experienced before. It also made me aware of how tightly you have to get that tourniquet in order for it to work.
This is training that, as evidenced by the news, is for everybody. And I think that if you have the opportunity to bring them in to your staff for an in-service day, it would be time incredibly well spent.
You're going to call Defense Systems because they're going to provide hands-on training that you can apply when you walk out of the room. You're going to call Defense Systems if you're prioritizing safety. You're going to call Defense Systems if you really want to take it seriously.
Defense Systems training for us, for me, was a thorough training, not just in medical, but also in safety and in regards to how you can protect yourself and the people that you love.